Welcome back to another explainer. I am so incredibly excited to jump right into today's topic with you. We're looking at a profoundly fascinating metaphysical tool designed specifically for daily mental expansion and deep spiritual connection. If you've ever felt like there's this hidden wisdom just waiting to be tapped into within your own consciousness, you are absolutely going to love this breakdown. Today, we are exploring the immense, literal universe-sized potential of the Lightbrary Quartz.
What if you could hold the memory of the universe in the palm of your hand? Seriously, just think about that for a second. It kind of sounds like a concept straight out of a sci-fi or fantasy novel, doesn't it? But within the realm of specific metaphysical practices and crystal work, this isn't fiction at all. This is the mystical promise and the deeply held belief surrounding a very specific, highly revered crystalline structure.
Section 1. Meet the Lightbrary Quartz. Okay, let's dive into this. We're going to explore exactly what this incredible stone actually is. Lightbrary quartz stones are quite literally known as light libraries. The source material describes them as extremely powerful lightworkers' devices. To put this into a perspective that's super easy to grasp, I want you to imagine a cosmic hard drive. Just like you'd plug a physical USB drive into your laptop to access gigabytes of securely stored data, practitioners believe these crystals act as a metaphysical data drive. They're said to be absolutely filled to the brim with ancient wisdom, all intricately written in the language of light.
Section 2. Secrets of the Ancient Ones.
So where exactly does all of this stored cosmic data come from? And, who wrote it? Well, the sources indicate that these Lightbrary crystals are full of wisdom that may actually provide access to the Akashic Records. Now, for those who might need a quick refresher, the Akashic Records are essentially understood as the metaphysical documents of absolutely everything that has ever occurred on Earth. By tapping into the exceptionally high vibrations that are naturally emitted by the Lightbrary Quartz, practitioners believe they're holding the ultimate key to unlock the universe's most ancient and closely guarded past. Now, what's really interesting about this is that they don't just hold data. Their very physical form tells a story. They're affectionately known as Atlantean Temples or Ancient Ones. And the reason for these majestic titles comes down to a very specific physical trait. They're characterized by this distinct, stepped, layered growth pattern. The source material suggests this stepped structure isn't just some random geological accident. It's a reflection of their incredible journey. It's suggested they've passed through all the great legendary civilizations, specifically including Atlantis and Lemuria. And this brilliantly illustrates their dual nature. They truly bridge multiple timelines. On one hand, we see their profound connection to the past, serving as direct reminders of the legendary crystalline temples present in those ancient cities of Lemuria and Atlantis. But on the flip side, their purpose isn't just to be a static relic, some museum piece of the past. For the present and the future, they act as active energy conduits. Through them, universal masters can relay specific, vital information that's entirely pertinent to humanity right now, at this exact moment in our current evolution, which brings this vast cosmic history right down to you. The text suggests that if you make the choice to become its current guardian or keeper, you might experience something deeply intuitive. Because these stones have been passed down through so many eras, you may actually feel that you've worked with this exact crystal in previous lifetimes. You might instantly recognize its powerful healing properties the literal second you hold it. It transforms from just a simple stone into a highly personal historical relationship. Section 3. Unlocking the Crown Chakra. Now that we've got a handle on what the Lightbrary Quartz is and the immense data it holds, let's look at exactly how this crystal targets our highest energy center to release all that trapped knowledge we've been talking about. The absolutely crucial point here is how the Lightbrary Quartz actively functions within our own energetic body. When paired specifically with the Crown Chakra, which is the energy center located at the very top of your head, the one associated with higher consciousness, the outcomes are incredibly potent. First off, working with this chakra actively opens the mind and unlocks a huge amount of unconscious trapped knowledge. Second, it connects you with those deep, overarching memories spanning the past, present, and future. And finally, by targeting the crown chakra, the quartz acts as an energy conduit, allowing those universal masters to relay that essential, evolutionary guidance directly into your consciousness. Let's move to Section 4, your daily meditation guide. Okay, I want you to just slow down for a second. Take a deep breath. Imagine finding a quiet, peaceful space in your home, grounding yourself and deliberately preparing to open your crown chakra to the vast wisdom of the universe. Here is your actionable step-by-step guide to incorporating this into your daily routine, pulled directly from our sources. Step 1 is super straightforward. Simply hold a Lightbrary quartz while you meditate. Step 2, As you hold it, deliberately focus its very high vibration right on your crown chakra. Visualize that layered ancient energy interacting with the top of your head, opening that gateway. And step 3, allow yourself to safely move upward in your consciousness and your understanding. It's a clean, simple process, but the sources really emphasize that it's a profoundly effective technique for lightworkers to access daily guidance. By diligently following those meditation steps every single day, your primary physical and spiritual goal is to actively use the crystal to raise your own vibrational frequency. The Lightbrary Quartz naturally transmits such a high vibration that simply holding it and focusing your intention on that crown chakra allows your personal energy to elevate. You literally begin to match the ancient resonance stored within those stepped, layered structures we looked at earlier. I want to wrap up today's explainer by leaving you with this direct, incredibly powerful quote from our source material. Working with this stone during daily meditation helps you move upward in consciousness and understanding of the big picture of the universe. I mean, isn't that what we're all ultimately searching for? That overarching big picture clarity? The possibility that the profound wisdom of ancient civilizations, the Akashic Records, and the direct guidance of universal masters could all be accessed simply by opening your crown chakra during a daily quiet moment with a Lightbrary Quartz? Well, it's just a truly fascinating concept to explore. So I have to ask, are you ready to become its next keeper and unlock the knowledge trapped within you? Thank you so much for exploring this with me today, and keep learning.